Hi, this is Jenn again, your sexy cusinera. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jenn Reyes Vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click the bell button. Now I will teach you how to cook creamy corn soup. First, magme-melt tayo ng 1/4 cup butter. One tablespoon oil. Lagyan ko siya ng cooking oil para hindi masunog ang ating butter. Hintayin nating matunaw ang butter. Ganyan nga. Then, isusutay na natin ang ating 4 cloves minced garlic. Hintayin na natin mag-brown ang ating garlic. Then, 1 medium onion sliced. One-4 cup chopped carrots. And the main ingredient, 1½ cups fresh corn. Ayan, stir lang tayo ng stir. Stir, stir, stir. Then, add na natin ang 3 tablespoon flour. Hayaan natin dumikit ang butter sa flour. Hintayin natin matuyuan. Then, add na natin ang 1 cup milk. One beef cube. Stir lang tayong stir. Then, susunod natin ang 2 cups water. Hayaan natin kumulo Takpan natin to para mag-boil. Yan, kumulo na siya. Add half tablespoon ng sugar. Halo na ng halo Sige, halo. Salt. And pepper to taste. Lalagyan natin ng 2 tablespoon cornstarch slurry. Ito yung mixture ng diluted cornstarch sa tubig. Then, sprinkle na natin ng 2 tablespoons spring onions. And last, add na natin ang ating 1 egg. So ano pang gagawin? Stir ng stir. Ipaboil lang natin siya for 3 minutes. Then, ready to serve na ating creamy corn soup. Thanks for watching Jenn Reyes Vlogs. You can suggest or comment if what food you do want me to cook. Have a nice day. Bye!